High Point Land Company is honored to present the RDB Farms LLC offering, an exceptional opportunity to acquire highly productive farmland in Grundy County, Iowa. This premier property will be sold via timed online auction on December 10, 2025, with bidding ending at 1 p.m. Located in the southern part of Grundy County, this remarkable farm consists of roughly 189.04 deeded acres, including 164.08 tillable acres of rich, high-performing ground. With partial tiling, natural drainage, and a corn suitability rating of 90, this land ranks among the best in the area. Over 53% of the tillable acres feature a CSR2 of 95. Beyond the tillable acres, the non-crop ground provides additional value, offering potential for CRP enrollment, hay production, or pasture use, while buffer strips create excellent wildlife habitat and hunting opportunities. With excellent access to well-maintained county roads and close proximity to local grain markets and co-ops, this property offers both convenience and profitability. Contact land specialist Randy Thompson for more details or visit highpointlandcompany.com. Whether you're looking to expand your operation or invest in premium agricultural land, this is a rare opportunity to secure top-tier Grundy County farmland with a proven track record of success.